Hey y'all, welcome back to your girl's channel. If you are new here, just clicking on this video for the first freaking time, I'm your girl Shade Boo. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for being curious to see what I got going on. You are welcome to the family. Make sure you like the video after you like it. If you like it, make sure you share it. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I post, you can pull up and see what's happening. Now, what you guys are seeing here, because they were playing music in the car and I don't want to copyright, I am actually heading to the river in Jamaica. And that is like a big deal in Jamaica. Going to the river is like a big deal. I don't know exactly what river we're going to, so I can't even tell you. I did ask my husband's friend, but he said it's a secret, so it's a secret place. But I just wanted you guys to see how beautiful just the land and the palm trees and the bush and just everything about it is just so beautiful. Like, I could just take it in all day. I mean, there's nothing like actually being there in real time in front of it, but it's just so beautiful. And I wanted to share that with you.
I need to get in the water. You're not getting in, Papa? I'm getting in. You like?
Because milk is meal.
I want to them fine there. I remember when I did my clap.
And it's dog.
Yeah. You getting in the water? Mommy, hold you.
Mama's gonna jump in. I'm gonna record her. I'm gonna record you jumping, okay? Don't cry or nothing. If water gets in my eyes, I will just wipe it off. Ooh! Careful, Daddy. Jumping.
Okay.
Oh, you can't sit on this one.
Oh, okay. Let me go.
You couldn't get that key.
Very, some parts deep, some parts. Shivering.
You can't swim? You could have gone from me not going like.
Everyone nearly forgot what we were on.
Daddy, don't be scared.
River water, man.
I used to get one of these.
You need everything, right?
No, but because remember, that's why I had the other one for my phone.
Okay. Come.
No.
What is it?
Come.
Snake.
You want to go in there with me?
It's slick, it's not wet.
No.
Come.
You're just finding excuses.
You want to take off your shoes?
No.
Excuses.
Why are you upset? You want to take off your shoes?
Zoe, pass me my slides.
No.
Me going in the water.
Eh?
Please, you want to touch me up? No.
Is it deeper there?
You want to take off your shoes? You want to go in there with me?
Once you have swim, go up the current, I'll show you come back.
Alright, give me a hug.
You can't swim?
Give me a hug. Go there with your shoes?
Nobody are going in the park and leave her alone. You know? Nobody gonna go in the water, leave you. Right near shallow. Where your mom and dad at?
The dogs are not worried about you. The dogs do not care about you. The dog is minding its own business trying to find food. She's worried about the dog.
Come like a cat and never
Why? Why is this going down? This no, this serious. What happened? You wanna come with me? Oh. Getting real chilly. Getting real cold. And
You're not coming in, Zoe?
No.
here.
Cool.
Royalty don't want to get in. She says she's too little. Greg, how it feel? Cold? You can stand right here, boo-boo. And you got on shoes.
It's not high. You want to feel it?
No.
That girl said no. So you're not getting in the water? You're not getting in the water? Oh.
Mommy,
this is cold.
try to
Woo.
get that rock.
Oh.
Mommy, that's a sea thing.
It's a
What happened?
a piece of sea.
Oh, I just realized. My hair is going to be heavy when this.
When you wet it, yeah?
Cause feel this. This is heavy.
You're not hot, Zoe?
I am hot. This is hot. This is hot.
I dare you to go underwater. I dare you to go underwater, Mommy. Go underwater. Go. Mommy, go. Mommy, go.
Royce's getting used to it now. You see on here it's clean. There's nothing on here, boo-boo. Right? No, don't do that. You'll get splinter. Look at Daddy. Ooh.
I tried.
That's like I like her nails. Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Tomorrow we're going to the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow we could go to the pool.
Yay!
Look, tomorrow we going to the pool? Wow. Look at Greg.
Mommy, how about you take a video of this? Or take a picture. Take a picture.
Yeah. I put it under, babe. Under the water. This the river they bathing? That they talk about? I'm saying like when it's
A shark, a shark, a shark. I need a towel.
Really? Yeah, you can see them now. Go to your one floor.
Mommy, I need a towel. Wash my eyes.
I want to that stushy. I wrote water in there. You want towel.
Do y'all see how freaking beautiful this river is? How it is just flowing. Listen, it was so relaxing. I couldn't relax the way y'all seen my husband relax because I was with royalty and she is just, oh gosh. Boy, don't try to have a good time because she gonna shut it down somehow, some way. But I'm glad that my husband was able to capture the essence of this river and just how it's flowing, and it was freezing cold. But after the river, I felt so refreshed. And can y'all believe that this is actually in the back of somebody's backyard? Unbelievable.
Yeah, man, river water, man. Jamaica, nice one. Look. Somebody backyard, I think. We're in somebody backyard. Can you believe that? JA. Yeah, man. Enjoy yourself, dude. Yeah.
Y'all, that's how it goes when you're having too much fun. The camera dies. So as you saw, we was at the river. First of all, the episode we had when we first got to the river. So when you first get there, it's a house. There's some dogs. These dogs was like, y'all mofos is not getting through here. They was barking. They was all of that. Me, my girl Zoe, and Royalty got right back in the car and locked ourselves in the car and left Greg and my girl Sabrina, her brother. We left them out there with the dogs. They was ready to start throwing stones and everything. And then he just was, I guess the lady came out the house or whatever, and he was telling them, like, they scared of the dog or whatever. So she like, they're not gonna do nothing, whatever. So I guess she called the dogs to her. But, y'all, after that, we walked through, like, the yard of the house. That's what it looked like to me. It walked through the yard of the house. Then we came upon, like, some bush. And then you walk through the bush, and then you go down this real steep. They're not steps, because there's no steps there. It's just a way for you to walk down towards the river. And let me tell you something. If you've ever heard of Dunn's River Fall, it's insane to climb and come down. So it's like, I would say something a little bit similar, but there's no steps. and it was just, oh gosh, you had to be very careful. Could have hurt your knee, sprained your ankle, broke your foot, anything could have happened. Like, it was crazy. I wanted to record it so bad, but I had to focus and hold on to the person behind me and the person in front of me. So yeah, and plus we had to get over the dogs. That Royalty was screaming, crying, because she was just like, oh no, the doggies. So, but once we got down to the river water was so sweet. It was cold, and the weather wasn't hot like that, so it was even more cold. But oh, it felt so good. Let me tell you something. If I had a bar of some Dove soap and a washcloth, I had to surely washed off right in that river. The water was so good and so, I'm telling you, it was so good. I really enjoyed myself. Royalty, of course, was not trying to get in the water, as y'all saw. But yeah, but everybody enjoyed. I had a good time. But that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and stay tuned for the next one. I love you guys.